Hello everybody, I hope you're doing amazingly well. Super happy to be back outside. Monday night we had some torrential rain, 3+ inches, some storms yesterday too. Some roads were flooded and inoperable. I couldn't even get to the trail here, but I am here today. A little bit of water, but lots of beauty. Check this out, what I just saw. Just happened to look up. Hey guys. Looks like their feet sank way down too, like mine right now. A little bit of lingering water droplets. Well, I got to a section of, I can't go any farther. I mean, I could. Certainly gone in Lake Michigan in clothing, but I don't really want to walk around with soaking wet, non-waterproof boots. I'm sitting looking at my boots, and it kind of looks like an intentional design. Wow, here is another spot. It'll dissipate quickly, but wow. It's like it's a whole river. So I am a few minutes away from being done with my hike, and the sky opens up and it starts misting on me, just soft little tears, if you will. I'm like, I feel it too, nature. I'll miss you too. Till next time.